Working at Vox Nutrition, we get to help people from all over the world.
I love to help. I normally step up if anyone needs help.
In all different environments.
All the customers are different. Some of them want to talk to me, every day. Some of them only want to hear from me when it's necessary. And so you have to be able to adapt to each customer and get to know them and provide what they need based on, how you've established that relationship with them.
Some customers have clinics where they help their customers, whether or not it's weight loss or various services. The fact that we could provide some sort of a basis for them to be able to achieve that goal is what motivates me.
I love to be more on a personal level with my customers. So the more I'm able to get to know them, if they like skiing, if they have family members, how they started their brand, that way I'm able to build that rapport with them and know that it's actually another person on the other end of the email or the phone rather than just someone wanting to buy bottles. I want to be able to represent them in the best way that I can.
It's really exciting to be able to help people make and grow their own companies. It's really fulfilling.
It's pretty special to see all the other sales reps and how they have stories with their customers, or they have these relationships and they know so much about them. I don't really have that yet, but I can't wait.
One of my favorite customers, they're based out of the Ukraine. My first video call with them was the night Ukraine got invaded. I thought that was a unique experience because I was thinking maybe we should reschedule this, maybe we should go a different direction. The customer said, look, I'm in a position where I want to better my circumstances and I want to take this opportunity to focus on something else. Fast forward now 8 months, they have 4 products selling pretty successfully on Amazon. And that's a story that I bring up all the time. It was unique. I think back to it daily. That someone who's facing that kind of circumstance is interested in putting together a supplement brand.
My most memorable accomplishments at Vox have easily been the ability to help clients find the right product for their brand and customers. Supplements have helped me tremendously in my own life, and I really enjoy the science behind proper nutrition and supplementation to improve health. So using that passion to help determine the right products to meet the needs of our customers has been the most rewarding.
It includes everything from providing the initial quotes to guiding them through the whole manufacturing process until they get their finished products. And I also work really closely with suppliers to ensure that we are sourcing the most high quality ingredients while also taking into account cost effectiveness for our customers.
A lot of times customers will come from other companies really frustrated with the industry, and you just have to really be understanding and transparent.
While working at Vox, I've had a lot of different successes. Mostly, I would say that the biggest ones are just moving up and different opportunities within the company. I started in the printing department and now I'm the lead administrator. So with Vox, I've been able to grow a lot.
One thing about Vox is they like to see people grow in the role that they're in, and they also like to see you be able to graduate into larger roles as you prove yourself in the company. And so, I've received several promotions while I've been here, and that is fulfilling to know that you're recognized, for the hard work that you do, and you are rewarded for that.
When I got the project management role at the sales department, I feel that I was able to create an appropriate workflow, and I was able to make the whole process smooth. I'm really proud of that.
My hidden talent is a love for music. I play the piano, guitar, and violin, and have enjoyed playing music since I was about 4 years old.
Oh, my hidden talent. I don't know. I don't think I have one, but
I don't know if I would be considered talent.
I don't think I have any hidden talents, really, no. My talents are all on full display.
I speak 3 languages.
I'm 45 years old, and I still play ice hockey.
So my hidden talent would be probably that I decorate cakes.
I have since I was a kid, and it's something I enjoy. I play with friends locally. I've done tournaments all over the country, and it's something that's fun, something I enjoy.
English, kinda. I'm just kidding. Spanish and French.
I've been decorating cakes since I was 16, so I've made quite a few cakes in my time, and I've made my own wedding cake. So that is something I love to do outside of work, and it helps relieve my stress.
I can say around, I'm not going to say exactly 100 digits of 5. So I can do 3.14-159-2653-58979, 32384-62643, 38327, 95028-84197-16939-93751, 05820. That's not there.
I love gardening. I love spending time outside growing my own fruits and vegetables.
From when I started, Vox Nutrition was such a small company within the industry, going from a Google Doc company to where we're at now in a brand new state-of-the-art facility. That in itself has been a huge accomplishment that I'm proud to be a part of.
If you are interested in learning more about Vox Nutrition or any of our products, please be sure to check out our website or social media channels. Thanks.